Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So this is going to be a quick little video just to share some exciting news. So first things first is we just hit 30,000 subscribers on my channel. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and all your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do down below. And with the holidays coming up, I thought this would be the perfect time to announce a little project that I've been working on for quite a while now. So I'm launching my own brand. It's called Cocoa and Chai. And the product is a limited edition run of heatless curler kits. So I'm wearing one right now, and this is what the kits look like. So they do come in a little pouch like this, so you can like store everything in the pouch. They do come with a little card with instructions on how to use everything. And I do have a video. It'll be the next video after this one if you guys want to check it out. It's a little tutorial on how to actually wrap your hair with the heatless curlers. So inside you get the heatless curler itself, which looks like this. And then you also get the accessories. So you get a pack of 2 alligator clips to hold it in place while you wrap your hair. And then you also get a set of 2 pink scrunchies so that you can tie your hair at the ends. I'll show you what this looks like from the back. I worked really hard to create this, coming up with the size, the color, the fabric, the filling, and everything. So I worked with the supplier to create like what I think is the perfect heatless curl. So the fabric is a very soft velour and inside is a very soft cotton filling. So it kind of blends into your pillow if you choose to wear this when you go to sleep. And the velour helps to grip your hair and hold it in place instead of using the satin heatless curls where your hair tends to slide around. This one will hold your hair in place. And even down to the clips, I chose to include these cute little alligator clips that you can use to hold your heatless curler in place while you're wrapping your hair, instead of using a claw clip like a lot of other heatless curls, which I feel like are kind of counterproductive, just the way that they hold your hair. I don't feel like it works the best. I think something like this just keeps everything a lot neater. But yeah, a lot of love went into creating these guys. I do want to make future videos talking about everything that goes into starting a small business, because this was like, there's a lot more work that goes on behind the scenes than you guys see. So I do want to share that with you guys, but that'll be later. But this is a limited edition run. So once they're gone, they're gone. So if you guys want to pick this up, I'll leave everything in the description box down below. And I do have a really good promo going on right now for the holidays. And these make excellent little gifts. So if you want to pick one up, everything will be down below. And if you guys made it this far into the video, I do have another little announcement. Just because we are celebrating 30,000 subscribers, and I always do a little giveaway whenever I hit a subscriber milestone. So I am giving away 3 heatless curler kits. These ones here. So if you guys want to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is leave a comment down below. You do have to be subscribed to my channel and follow me on Instagram, because I am going to be messaging you on Instagram because it's kind of hard to like message people on YouTube. So follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is only for my subscribers. And then comment down below how you found my channel, and also include your Instagram handle, because that's how I'm going to message you. But that is it for this video. If you guys want to check out the tutorial on how to wrap your hair with heatless curls, I'll leave it right here. And other than that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.